Hello folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's what I said, $10,000 a month. This is massive, folks. So if you are interested, make sure you click the first link in the description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, Max Gerstenmaier, three of the top affiliate marketers on Warrior Plus. Now let's get back to our review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description below at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. Grab it, and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And bonus number 2 is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high-value gig, for example, you buy the gig from Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you become the middleman. You pocket the difference in the process. Bonus number 3 will teach you how to create a passive income. And this is crucial, folks. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's recurring passive income. And you can do that with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day on the entire system. You receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now let's get on with this review. In a nutshell, Firelaunchers year-end PLR Firesale features 12 top PLR training products at a massive discount of over 70%. Included in the package are Firelaunchers' top 7 PLR self-help and personal development training products. Now, this wholesome package is produced by Firelaunchers, a well-known production company to those in the personal development and self-help industry. Their products always sell out fast, and I expect this one to be no different. But you will be getting a bargain here. However, you must act quickly, because this fire sale is very short-lived. Now, there are 5 things you should know about this product. The PLR packages come with ready-to-go sales modules. You receive over 70% discount in all the products. You can resell and keep 100% of the products. How you use them is really your choice. After all, they are PLR. Now, previous affiliates have earned over 4 figures with some of these PLR offerings. And you can bet that creating these PLRs manual will be very expensive. Here's some samples that's included in the package. You get a ChatGPT expertise module, a Google business profile package, an AI impact on our lives package, make money with PLR package, video marketing with AI mastery package, Google Ads with AI expertise, Google Bard AI expertise package, Live Happily a package, a healthy eating for teenagers package, a keto diet secrets package, a healthy supplements package, and a Zumba aerobic mastery package. Now the sales funnel is really quite simple. The front end is $47, and there's one upsell for $97. And that gets you more PLR packages. Now, if you need to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. Oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in the first link below. And don't forget my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and then pocket the difference. And they show you how to gain reoccurring income easily. And they show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day with the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, folks. See you next time.